I used to get bullied growing up, and I think my parents had enough of me getting my arse kicked, so they put me in a martial art, Taekwondo. I ended up liking it after I hit green belt, and I went right to black belt and learned how to fight, and I've been protecting myself ever since.
2002 Canadian Taekwondo Championships.
Went to a lot of tournaments, and I won a lot of fights. I had to stop fighting people my own age when I was young because I was hurting them. I was breaking ribs real easy, so I ended up fighting adults when I was 13, 14 years old.
That's a first place one.
A gold medalist in the North American Indigenous Games. They flew me up to Colorado. There was 7 people in my division, and my name was first called up for the first fight, and I beat that guy pretty bad. None of them else wanted to fight me, so they gave me gold and they all fought for second. Eventually you fight enough, nobody wants to fight anymore, so no more fighting for this guy, unless I have to.